Hello everybody, how are you? My name is Mr. Fausto and I'm going to be your teacher if you get to choose Playful Models. Come and join me and let's see what this is about. So first of all, let's look at the objectives. Number 1. Research, design, and build different things related to several topics and themes. Another objective is to raise awareness of the responsible use of resources and materials. 3. Designing and modeling original pieces and quality products. 4. Use different art techniques in the creative process. And finally, you're going to develop thinking, social, creative, and communication skills. But now you're probably wondering, what are we going to do? What is Playful Models about? Well, take a look. Pay attention. First, let's talk about board games. As you can see these examples, you're going to create different types of board games from your imagination and creativity. Look at this one. It's about soccer. It has the board, the book of rules, dice, cards. Look at this other one. Snakes and ladders with a beautiful design. This next one is an original piece. It's called Area 51. It's about aliens and aircrafts, and as you can see, the tokens or little pieces are in 3D. Let's take a look at this one other. This is called I Dare You. It has also a book of rules and instructions which says confidential, the tokens, different 3D pieces to play with your friends. Another thing that we're going to do in Playful Models is toy design. We're going to create 3D pieces with a special material called French pasta. As you can see, you're going to paint with acrylics the scenography and integrate the 3D pieces. Look at this magic forest with magical creatures. Or this other world with a 3D explorer. Take a look at this other one with brightful colors. Isn't it cool? Look at all these toys. You are going to create them, so prepare to enjoy and have fun. Also, you are going to create some type of dolls made with wire, newspaper, and glue. Another important topic that we're going to see is letter design. In other words, 3D typography, using cardboard. See, all the amazing colors are made with acrylics, watercolors, markers, and other type of techniques. What do you think? Do you like it? Well, that was it, and if you get to choose Playful Models, you're going to have fun, you're going to enjoy it, you're going to use your creativity, your imagination, and I'm looking forward to meeting you soon. Until then, bye bye.